Question number 12. In the figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB and shaded region. Given radius of quadrant OACB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Angle theta is equal to 90 degree, that is 90 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 multiply by radius is 3.5 and that is 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10. 94s are 360, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22 and that is equal to 11 into 35 divided by 4 into 10. 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. That is equal to 77 divided by 8 centimeter square. Its area of quadrant. First part, area of quadrant, that is equal to 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Answer. And second part, shaded area of shaded region. OD is equal to 2 centimeter and OB is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So area of triangle OBD, that is equal to half into OB into OD. In triangle OBD, area of triangle, that is equal to half into base into height. OB 1 upon 2, OB is 3.5 into OD is equal to 2 centimeter given. This is cancel and area of triangle OBD is equal to 3.5 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD, that is equal to area of quadrant is 77 upon 8 minus 3.5. This implies 77 minus 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, plus 4 28. That is 28 divided by 8 is equal to 77 minus 28, that is 49 divided by 8 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius of quadrant OACV, that is 3.5 centimeter, and area of quadrant is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Quadrant angle is 90 degree, but 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r 3.5, 35 upon 10, 35 upon 10. 94s are 360 and 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. We get 11 into 35 upon 4 into 10, 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10, 11 7s are 77 divided by 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. Its area of quadrant. And we want to find shaded region also. Given OD is equal to 2 centimeter. Given, and OB is equal to, that is radius 3.5 centimeter. Area of triangle OBD, that is half of base into height. Half into base is OB and height is 2. 2 is cancelled. We get area of triangle OBD is 3.5 centimeter square. And area of shaded region, second part, that is area of shaded region, that is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. 77 upon 8 minus 3.5. 3.5 multiplied by 8. 3.5 multiplied by 8, that is 8 5s are 44, carry 8 3s are 20, 4 plus 24 plus 4, that is 28.0, that is 28. And 77 minus 28 upon 8, 77 minus 28, that is 49 divided by 8 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 13. In the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Pi is equal to 3.14. Given side of square is equal to 20 centimeter. OA equal to 20 centimeter. Area of square, that is equal to side into side. Area of square equal to 400 centimeter square. Diagonal of square is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter, and radius of quadrant is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. So radius of quadrant is 20 root 2 centimeter, and area of quadrant is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. R is 20 root 2 and angle is 90 upon 360 into pi 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2, that is 94 are 361 upon 4 into 314 divided by 100 and root 2 20 20s are 400 into root 2 that will be 2 root 2 square, root square is cancelled and that is 2 20 20s are 400 into 2 0 0 is cancelled 4 is cancelled and we get 314 2s are 628 centimeter square. Area of quadrant OPBQ, that is equal to 628 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of the shaded region is equal to 628 minus 400, that is 228 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region equal to 228 centimeter square. Answer. Given side of square OA is equal to 20 centimeter and area of square is side into side, that is 400 centimeter square. Diagonal of square, that is equal to side root 2 centimeter and radius of quadrant is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Area of quadrant is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Given value of pi is 3.14 and radius is 20 root 2 angle 90 upon 360. 94s are 360 and 0 0 is cancelled. 4 is cancelled. We get 314 2s are 628 centimeter square. Area of quadrant OPBQ. Area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of the shaded region equal to 628 minus 400, that is equal to 228 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 14. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter and center O. If angle AOB is 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. Given angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. Radius of sector AOB, that is 21 centimeter, and radius of sector COD, that is equal to 7 centimeter. area of shaded region that is equal to angle theta upon 360 into pi r square minus small r square. Angle is 30 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 and radius 21 square minus 7 square that is equal to 0 0 cancel, 12 3 are 36, 1 upon 12 into 22 upon 7 that is a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, 21 minus 7 into 21 plus 7 that is equal to 1 upon 12 into 22 upon 7 into 21 minus 7 that is equal to 14 and 21 plus 7 that is equal to 28 and 6 2s are 12, 11 2s are 22, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 that is equal to 11 multiplied by 28 divided by 3 and 28 multiplied by 11, 11 8s are 88, 8 carry, 11 2s are 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 that is equal to 308 upon 3 centimeter square. Answer: area of shaded region is equal to 308 upon 3 centimeter square. Answer: given angle AOB is 30 degree and radius of sectors AOB 21 centimeter that is capital R and radius of sector COD that is small r 7 centimeter and area of shaded region angle theta upon 360 into pi r square minus small r square. Angle is 30 upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7, 21 square minus 7 square that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b and 21 minus 7 is equal to 14 and 21 plus 7 equal to 28 and 6 2s are 12, 11 2s are 22, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and we are multiplying 28 and 11 we get 308 and divided by 3, 308 upon 3 centimeter square. Answer: question number 15. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of circle of radius 14 centimeter and semicircle is drawn with BC at diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Given radius of quadrant of circle is equal to 14 centimeter. Area of quadrant equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square that is equal to angle 90 upon 360 and pi is 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 90 94s are 360, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Area of quadrant is equal to 14 11s are 154 centimeter square. And in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, area of triangle BAC half into AB into AC, AB multiplied by AC is equal to half into 14 multiplied by 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, that is 14 into 7, that is equal to 14 7s are 98 centimeter square. Area of triangle BAC equal to 98 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. BAC, that is equal to 154 minus 98, 154 minus 98, that is equal to, and 14 equal to 56 centimeter square. And area of semicircle on diameter BC area of semicircle on diameter BC is equal to half into pi r square. In triangle BAC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. AB is equal to AC, AB equal to AC. This implies BC square is equal to AC square plus AC square, AC square plus AC square, 2AC square. This implies BC square is equal to 2AC square, and BC is equal to under root of 2AC square. This implies BC is equal to AC root 2, and BC is diameter and radius R is equal to AC is 14 root 2 upon 2. Its diameter, BC's diameter and radius is equal to R is equal to 7 root 2. Radius equal to 7 root 2. This implies half into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. This implies 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 7s are 49 into 2. Root 2 into root 2, that will be 2, and 7 7s are 49. 2 is cancel, and 22 7s are 22 7s are 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. That is equal to 154 centimeter square. Its area of semicircle on diameter BC. diameter BC is equal to AC root 2. AC is 14 and radius is 14 root 2 upon 2, that is 7 root 2. Its radius. And area equal to 154 centimeter square. So area of shaded region, that is equal to area of semicircle minus area of region 1 equal to 154 minus 56, that is 98 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius of quadrant of circle is 14 centimeter and area of quadrant is theta upon 360 pi r square. 90 upon 360 into pi r square, that will we get area of quadrant is 154. In triangle BAC, area of triangle BAC equal to half into base into height, half into 14 into 14, that is equal to 14 7 2s are 14 and 14 7s are 98 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region, area of region first, we get area of quadrant minus area of triangle. 154 minus 98, that will be 56 centimeter square. And area of semicircle on the diameter VC is equal to half into pi r square. In triangle BAC by Pythagoras, BC square is equal to BAB square plus AC square. AB equal to AC, then AC square plus AC square is 2AC square, and BC is equal to under root of 2AC square, that will be AC root 2. And AC is 14, its diameter BC and radius R is equal to half of 14 root 2 upon 2. Half of 14 root 2, that is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. And area of semicircle half into pi r square, that will be root 2, that will be 2, and 7 7s are 49, 7 multiplied by 7 7s are 49, and 2 is cancelled. 22 multiplied by 7, that is 154 centimeter square. Area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of region first. Area of region first, that is area of semicircle minus area of region first. 154 minus 56, that is 98 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 16. Calculate the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter each. Given side of square is equal to 8 centimeter and area of square, that is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64 centimeter square. Area of square is 64 centimeter square. Radius of quadrant is equal to 8 centimeter. Area of quadrant, that is equal to quadrant 90 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 into 8 into 8. This is cancelled by 4 and 4 2s are 8 is equal to 22 into 16 divided by 7, that is equal to 16 2s are 32, 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 3 is equal to 35 divided by 7 centimeter square. area of square left on one quadrant. Left on one quadrant, that is equal to area of square minus area of quadrant, that is 64 minus 352 upon 7. This implies 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 44 minus 352 divided by 7, that is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and 9, 14 minus 5 is 9 upon 7 centimeter square. Total area of shaded portion is equal to 352 upon 7 minus 96 upon 7, that is equal to 352 minus 96, 12 minus 6 is 6, 14 minus 9 is equal to 5 and 2, that is equal to 256 upon 7 centimeter square. Answer: given side of square is 8 centimeter and area of square is side into side, that is equal to 64 centimeter square. Radius of quadrant is equal to 8 centimeter and area of quadrant is 90 upon 360 into pi r square. 94s are 360, 4 2s are 8, 2 8s are 16 into 22, that is 352 divided by 7 centimeter square. Its area of quadrant, and area of square left on one quadrant, that is equal to area of square minus area of quadrant. 64 minus 352 upon 7. 7 multiplied by 64, 448 minus 352, that is equal to 96 upon 7 centimeter square. And total area of shaded portion is equal to area of square left on first quadrant minus total area of the shaded portion is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square left on first quadrant, that is equal to 352 upon 7 minus 96 upon 7. We get 256 divided by 7 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you so much.